In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a sub-item roll-up in Monday.com. This can be a very useful feature if you're looking to efficiently manage your data and keep track of sub-items in one comprehensive view. So let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Monday.com website. Once you've arrived, you'll spot the login option conveniently located at the upper right corner of the home page. Give it a click to proceed. If you're logging in using Google, simply choose the Sign In with Google option. Alternatively, you can type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Make sure to select the appropriate email if you're using Google Sign In to ensure you have access to the correct workspace. With your login complete, it's time to open the board where you wish to perform the sub-item roll-up. Take a moment to locate the item that contains the sub-items you are considering rolling up. Once you've found it, click on the arrow icon to the left of the item name. This action expands the sub-item section, granting you a clearer view of all available sub-items. Now, you'll want to identify the specific column from these sub-items that you wish to roll up to the parent level. This could be any column of interest such as status, due date, or any other metric you are tracking. Carefully decide on which column makes sense for your needs. Look towards the right side of your chosen sub-item column and click on the three dots, which opens up the column settings. There you will find an option labelled Show Summary on Parent or Show Summary in Parent Item. Clicking on this option will initiate the roll-up process. After clicking, check out the item level to see a brand new column that has appeared. This column is essentially a mirror displaying the summary data of the sub-item column that you decided to roll up. It serves as an at-a-glance overview, making your project management smoother and more refined. The amazing part of this feature is how it consolidates data from multiple sub-items into one neat summary. It enhances the visual organization of your board and saves you time from digging through multiple layers of information. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage your sub-items by rolling them up to a parent item in Monday.com. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Feel free to practice with different columns and see how this functionality can best fit into your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials on maximizing your Monday.com experience. Thank you for watching.